ganja smoker then there. A real ganja smoker there. Where weed smoker then there. Weed God, weed head, whatever they want to call it. 100 spliff and nothing for me blaze out. And when you're looking at my eyes, you know some me frost out. Me have a girl in my room and smoke purple skunk. High fuck. Wake up in the morning with a weed on my bedside table. Without the weed me feel unstable, feel disconnected like cable. So the weed me I cut it up and make it get ready with the grabber that steady. Roll it up in the whistler. Me light it, ignite it, then me take a pull. No, my brain full of the smoke. Tell them a high grade weed, make me eyes them bleed. 100 spliff for that, no fucking need to go blaze out. For days bro, tell them say me spliff erupting like a volcano when me fucking pull it. It said me go to a different dimension, not to mention this weed come like it's sweeter than old people pension. When I smoke up the weed, yes them get red, them a bleed. Them tell us that we mad, you that a lie. Somebody have to put lizard tail in a that. That's why you have to watch you make a spliff. Better you make your own spliff, make your own thing. Make your own thing pan a devil, because people wickeder than the fucking devil. Yeah. Done the fucking devil, that's why I make it my key, I'm a fucking Mark 11. Yo, 100 spliff and nothing for my blaze out. 100 spliff and nothing for my blaze out. And when you're looking at my eyes, you know I'm me frost out. Have a girl in my room and smoke a purple skunk. Fries a fuck. The weed that call me early morning, so me just go peel up a spliff. Wait. The weed when me get from down a skinny, that make your brain feel like it a Jimmy. Put it in a gear, and a neutral. Every day a bad bro, me get 2 girl, few girl, tell them, never crew a girl.